guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
While an all-black outfit is an easy go-to, adding a little bit of color to your wardrobe is always a great idea. The color blocking trend is all about making a statement and is a bold and fun way to dress. There are 3 ways to go about this trend and I'm going to show you how. Separates are the easiest to style, but if you're not sure about what color goes with what, then it's always safe to go for different shades of one color from one family. For an example, you can go for different shades of yellow. Something that I went for, a yellow and a brown. Once you get a hang of it, then you can make some bold combinations. For an example, a blue and a yellow. Go for a color block dress or a jumpsuit. This will save you from all the stress of choosing the colors because the designer has already done that job for you. The only trick is that go for neutral accessories and opt for a pair of shoes in a color that is already existing in your outfit. If you're still very unsure about flaunting those bold colors in your outfit, do it with the accessories. Just go for a monochromatic outfit and break it with a complementary color. Pick a pair of earrings and a bag, just make sure they are of the same color. It's really easy to incorporate this trend in your daily outfits. Probably you already have these pieces in your wardrobe. Let me know if these tips were helpful in the comment section below. Also, please head over to the POPxo shop where you can buy mugs, laptop covers, phone covers and a lot more. The link is in the description below. Just click on it and go crazy shopping. And for more fashion tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.